I got mystical for this one.
Did you? Okay.
I did. So
I wonder why.
Calling
What could it be?
everything. Just calling the universe, because this one's a mystical puzzle.
It is. It is.
So, welcome back.
Hello. We are the puzzle couple. And we have a puzzle that's kind of interesting because we get to do it twice. It is a major arcana. That's how I say that, right? Mm-hmm. Arcana. And yeah, so it's got 2-in-1 double-sided puzzle. We pulled it out. It looks kind of cool. I mean, one side is matte and the other side is regular. So this looks like your matted side, and you can see the pieces aren't like huge, but they're not super small. But then this is your other side. I don't know if you can actually see that on the difference on the camera there.
Yeah, but maybe it's a little shiny on that side.
Yeah.
And a little less shiny on that side.
Yeah.
I didn't know, but you can actually feel the difference.
Mm-hmm.
So that sorting it should make it a little bit.
Help it a little bit. We just got to decide which one we're going to do first. And so that means we're going to have 2 whole things out of this, you know?
So which one? I kind of want to do this side that has all the cards.
Okay.
Like this side with all the cards. And then this one's just like the bigger but more...
more pictures?
Yeah,
or
more...
something,
well, just bigger pictures. And this one... I wonder if they have all of the...
I don't think so. Isn't there like 50 some odd cards in
well, but you only have a few that are the major. So this does look like they
might have all the majors.
Yeah, this might have all the majors in it. But you guys, I am very excited to do this puzzle.
It should be a lot of fun.
It is. You know? Anyways, have you guys done double-sided puzzles before?
Are they hard to do? I mean, it doesn't look like it should be that hard just because of the way they're done. This one's only 500 pieces, so you know, it's not like one of those crazy thousands or more to figure out.
This looks like it's gonna be ribbon cut. Mm-hmm. It doesn't look like there's any really
crazy pieces or anything.
It doesn't look like there's any crazy pieces.
No, it doesn't.
So, I got oh my gosh, my hand's full and I can't open the baggie back up. Okay, there we go.
And as you can see, the size is not huge, not small, which I guess I already said. Anyhow.
My friend reads cards, and I'm feeling like maybe today I need to have my cards read. So we'll see, you guys. Yeah. But at the end, we will give our opinion on the puzzle. I'm feeling very positive about this one.
It should be a good one.
And
should be good. It's very colorful. Yeah. So that's kind of cool. So
it is very colorful. Yeah. I think that's kind of what is drawing me to this, is how like vibrant the colors are. Yeah. So, but we've said that before, and then it's taken us a while to do.
That's true. That is true. So, but with this just being 500 pieces, it shouldn't be super hard.
Yep.
So we shall see though.
I believe, is this Yep, it's a Galison, you guys. I love Galison puzzles. So, and I kind of thought it was when I was looking at it, but right here, Galison, yay! So I am so excited to be able to do a Galison. Yeah. Just wanted to add that out there. But anyways, you guys, seriously this time, bye-bye.
Bye. See you at the end.
We did it.
We made it. We got through it very quickly,
We
actually.
did.
So,
Actually, for Galison, I'm kind of surprised we
got
did it so fast.
Yeah. Well, it is only 500 pieces,
Yeah.
so that probably helps. So.
But usually Galison is only like two nubs.
Yeah, and this one has
this
all
one
different
has-
shapes from
yeah.
4 nubs to 0 nubs.
But we only have like one that or two that are 4s. Did you put those in? Because I don't feel like I put any in.
I don't remember putting them in. No, but we must have. One of us did, or both of us did. I just don't remember doing it.
I just don't feel like it was me.
Well, I don't know what to tell you.
Oh,
Uh-oh. Anyways, we got this side done. We're going to be moving to the next side for our next video. I think this one is a lot of fun, though. But
I'm kind of torn about passing this one on.
we can keep it.
I don't know, maybe because it's tarot, but I love that kind of stuff. So, you guys, I think that this might be one that I'm going to keep. Again, I don't know, maybe because it's Galison. I really like Galison puzzles. So
She does.
I do. I always get so excited. Usually they're, I feel like they're usually a little bit harder, so it takes us a little bit.
But they're
longer.
usually bigger, yeah. They
Yeah.
usually have like 1,000 pieces. This is, I think, our first 500 piece Galison, so
Do you
things are
remember
different.
the Galison we did that had the snow and like the trees?
Oh, the
And the
ski
little-
resort?
Yeah,
thing?
the ski
Yeah,
resort.
that one was hard.
Oh my gosh, that was hard.
Because that was a lot of white, yeah.
And then I think the other Galison was soccer players. I could be wrong.
Yeah. No, that one probably.
I think that was a Galison too.
Yeah.
I could be
Same,
wrong.
I think by the same artist too.
Yeah.
But, yeah.
But I love Galison puzzles. So this is one that I think I shall keep. But you guys, catch us on the next one. I didn't really think that it wasn't really hard. So
No.
I would say that
The pieces went together
yeah.
really easy. I don't think there was really any false fits or anything like that.
and
you
it
know.
it holds together really
I hope-
well.
Yeah, it held together really well. So I like it. It's fun. Watch the next one. It should be another quick one. And
Hopefully.
we will talk to you next time.
Bye.
Bye.